Good evening, students. Today we are going to do extra questions of linear equation in two variable. These questions are very important. Question number 1 is, draw the graph of line 4x plus 3y is equals to 24. Now today I have to draw the graph of this equation, and second part is write the coordinates of the point where this line intersect on the x-axis and the y-axis. That means कि अगर मैं इस इक्वेशन का ग्राफ प्लॉट करती हूँ तो मुझे क्या बताना है कि ये एक्स एक्सिस पे किस पॉइंट पे कट करेगा और वाई एक्सिस पे किस पॉइंट पे कट करेगा. बिकॉज द क्वेश्चन इज राइट द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द पॉइंट वेयर द लाइन इंटरसेक्ट द एक्स एक्सिस. ये जो लाइन है इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है एक्स एक्सिस पे और वाई एक्सिस पे. सो स्टूडेंट यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट ऑन द एक्स एक्सिस द कोऑर्डिनेट्स इज ऑफ द फॉर्म ऑफ एक्स 0. That means y is here 0 and the coordinates on the y-axis is of the form 0, 1. That means I have to take the value in the solution box. One time x is equals to 0 and other time y is equals to 0. In that condition I will get these 2 points. Now third is using graph find the area of triangle formed by the line and the coordinate axis. मुझे साथ ही साथ क्या निकालना है, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल जो किससे फॉर्म हो रहा है, बाय दिस लाइन एंड द कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस. दीज आर द कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस, एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस, एंड दिस इज माय इक्वेशन. तो आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल. सो स्टूडेंट वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशन बॉक्स फॉर दिस इक्वेशन. माय क्वेश्चन इज 4x plus 3y is equals to 24. Now I can write like this, 3y is equals to 24 minus 4x. Now y is equals to 24 minus 4x upon 3. So I have to draw the solution box. So remember one thing, I need the coordinates on the x-axis and the y-axis. And for this, one time I have to make x is equal to 0 and for the y-axis I have to make y is equals to 0. Now take it at x is equals to 0. If I take x is equals to 0, then what is the value of y? If x is equals to 0, then y becomes 24 upon 3, that is 8. So we will get the value 8. Now second, if I take x is equals to, what should I multiply with 4 so that I get y becomes whole 0? Obviously I want to make it as 24, so I will multiply 4 by 6. ठीक है. So if I take x is equals to 6, that means 6 4s are 24, y becomes 24 minus 24 upon 3, that is 0 upon 3 is 0. So if I take x is equals to 0, I will get y is equals to 0. So this is my main motive. Once I want to get x 0 and once I want to get y is equals to 0. These two 0 give me the points on the x coordinate and the y coordinate. Now the third point I can take anyone. If I take 12, take it as 3. If I take x is equals to 12, 4 3s are 12. So it's become y is equals to 12 upon 3, that is 4. तो ये मुझे कितना मिल जाएगा, 4. तो I get the solution box. Solution box मुझे मिल चुका है. अब मैं क्या करूँगी, इसको प्लॉट करूँगी on the graph. Plotting these 2 points, I have to draw the coordinate axis. This is my x-axis. This is x dash. This is y. This is y dash. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. ठीक है. We don't have any negative here, so मैंने इसको 5 तक रहने दिया. Now plot the point 0, 8. 0, 8, that means x coordinate is 0 and y is 8. So 0 is here and y is here. So this is my 0, 8. Obviously on the y coordinate x is 0, so 0, 8 is, this is the point. Now 6, 0. Second point is 6, 0. 6, 0, x is 6 and y is 0. So this is 6, 0. Now third is 3, 4. X is 3, y is 4. X is 3, y is 4. तो आप इसको ज्वाइन कर देंगे, ये स्ट्रेट लाइन आएगी, थोड़ा सा इसको ठीक से ज्वाइन करते हैं. So this is the graph of this linear equation. 4x plus 3y is equals to 24. Hope so this point is clear to you. This is 3, 4, 0, 8 and 6, 0. Now this is the first part. We have drawn the graph of this line. Now the second part is write the coordinates of the point where this line intersect the x-axis. That means this line intersect the x-axis at 6, 0. So I am going to write the answer of the second part. From the graph, coordinate of points on x-axis is 6, 0 and on y-axis is 0, 8. So these two are the coordinates. Now third is, using the graph, find the area of triangle formed by the line and the coordinate axis. That means this is the triangle. This triangle is formed by this line and the coordinate axis. This hypotenuse is formed by this line, and these are the two coordinates. One is coordinate axis x and another one is y. Now area of triangle, we know that area of triangle is equals to half base into height. Now what is the base? Here this is the base. Now what is the length of base? In x-axis this is 6. I will write 6, and what is the height? Height is 8. So it is 8. Now solve it. 2 4s are 8, 6 4s are 24 square unit. So this is a very important question from examination point of view, where you have to draw the equation of this line, then find the coordinates on the x-axis and the y-axis, and find the area of triangle formed by the line and the x-axis and the y-axis by the formula area of triangle half base into height. Hope so this question is clear. Now moving towards the question number 2. Question number 2. Draw the graph of equation 2x plus y is equal to 6 and 2x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Shade the region bounded by line and the x-axis. Find the area of shaded region. So this question is an important question, because here we have two equations. That means we have to plot these two equations on the same Cartesian plane, and we get a region. We have to shade the region that is formed by the line and the x-axis, and then find the area of the shaded region. Shaded region can be anything. Let us see what would be the shaded region. Now first we find the solution box for my first equation. My first equation is 2x plus y is equal to 6. Now I can write y is equals to 6 minus 2x. For this I need a solution box. Okay, here is y. I can take 3 values. If I take x is equals to 0, then what is the value of y? Take 2 zeros are 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. Now if I want to make y 0, then what I have to put here? We have to put x is equals to 3, because 2 3s are 6 and 6 minus 6 is 0. So these 2 points are very important for plotting the graph, because once if x is 0 and y is something, that means this point is going to cut the x-axis, and if y is 0 and x is some constant, then it will going to cut the y-axis. So it's a very important, these 2 points 0, 6, because 0, 6 point lie on the y-axis and 0, 3 lie on the x-axis. Now in between I can take any value. If I take x is equals to 1, then 6 minus 2 is 4. Now this is the graph of one equation. Now I would like to find the solution box for the another equation. Now my 2x plus 2 is equals to y. So I have to make the solution box. I can write y is equals to 2x plus 2. So it's a very simple to get the solution. Here is y and here is x. Now what should I take? First I should take x is equal to 0. If x is equals to 0, then this whole term becomes 0 and y we will get 2. Now in second time I need to make it y0. For making y0, what should I put? X. I should, because this is positive 2, I should make it as negative 2. For this I have to put x is equal to minus 1. Because 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and minus 2 positive 2 cancel out, it becomes 0. Okay friends. So now what would be third value? You can take any one. If I take x is equals to 1, the answer is y is equals to 4. Now I want to plot these two solution box on the graph so that मुझे रीजन मिल जाए which I am looking for. Now first is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now this is x positive, x negative, this is y positive, this is y negative. Now first I want to plot this equation 0, 6. 0, 6 means x is 0 and y is 6. Now this is my point 0, 6. Now second is 3, 0. X is 3 and y is 0. Now third is 1, 4. 1, 4. This is 1, 4. ये यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. This is 1, 4. This point, and this point. This is 3, 0. So this is the equation of. This is the graph for this equation. 2x plus y is equals to 6. Now I want to plot this equation 2x plus 2 is equal to y, or 2x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. For this x is equal to 0, 2. X is 0 and y is 2. Y is 2 is here. This is 0, 2. This is 0, 2. 1 point. Now minus 1, 0. X is minus 1. Here is, this is minus 1. This is my second point. Minus 1, 0. Third point is 1, 4. X is 1 and another one is 4. So this is point. So my graph is going like this. This line represents the equation 2x minus y plus 2 is equals to 0. So student, here you see the region. आपको region नजर आ रहा है? This is the triangular region. My question is, draw the graph of these two equations. I first draw the graph of these two equations. Then shade the region bounded by the line. Now I have to shade the region which is bounded by the lines. अभी दो equation तो bounded by the lines होगा. This is first line, this is second line, and the x-axis. This is my x-axis. That is, this is my triangle. And here I am shading it. So shading is done. So this is the bounded region, shaded bounded region. Now the last part is find the area of this region. So you know this is a triangle and the area of triangle is half base into height. So very simple to find out the area of this bounded region. So area of shaded region is equals to half base into height. Why? Because it is a triangle. Now what is the base? My base is this. Look student, my base is this. Here 3 units are positive side and 1 unit from the negative side. So 3 plus 1 becomes 4. Make sure this is negative 1, but when we take the base, we will take it as 1 unit. So 3 from this side and 1 from this side. This becomes 4. And what is the height? Height is from this point. Height is from this point. Since the height reaches this point 4, so 4 is the height. Now what is the 2 4 is the 8 square unit is the area of this region. Hope so this question is clear to you. Now moving towards the next question. Now my question number 3 is, write the equation representing x-axis. So here the question is, write the equation representing x-axis. मुझे क्या करना है? एक equation represent करनी है for the x-axis. That means in this question I am asking to write the equation of x-axis. So student, you should know that equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. And if the question is like this, write the equation representing y axis. So answer is x is equals to 0. Hope so these two questions is clear to you. Now moving towards the question number 5. Question number 5 is, write the equation of a line passing through zero 4 and parallel to x-axis. कह रहा है कि आप क्या बताओ, एक ऐसी इक्वेशन बताओ जो कहाँ से पास कर रही हो, 0 4 से पास कर रही हो and must be parallel to x-axis. So student, you should know that whenever a line is parallel to x-axis, जब भी कोई लाइन x-axis के पैरेलल होगी, चाहे above हो चाहे below हो, तो इसकी इक्वेशन क्या होगी? y is equals to some constant. और जब भी कोई लाइन पैरेलल होगी y एक्सिस के, चाहे वो इस साइड पे हो या इस साइड पे हो, तो इस लाइन की इक्वेशन होगी x is equals to some constant. Here the question is, write the equation of a line passing through 0 4 and the parallel to x-axis. That means this equation only contain y is equals to some constant. Now the constant is 4. So equation is y is equals to 4. To remember this point, whenever the line is parallel to x-axis, equation only contain the y, and whenever the line is parallel to y-axis, equation only contain the x. Now moving towards the question number 6. Question number 6 बिल्कुल इसी के जैसा है, but it is slightly different from this. Question number 6 is, write the equation of a line passing through the point 3 5 and parallel to x-axis. Student, see the difference between these two questions. Write the equation of a line passing through, here is 0, 4, here is 3, 5, and parallel to x-axis. Again the equation is parallel to x-axis, and remember, whenever the equation is parallel to x-axis, it only contains y is equals to some constant. Now the constant is obviously y1, so y is equals to 5 is my answer. It doesn't matter that x is 0 or not. In this question my x is 0, in this question x is equals to 3. So if you plot the equation of this graph, you will see the line is parallel to x-axis, and at this point this becomes the 0, 5, this becomes the 1, 5, this becomes 2, 5, this becomes 3, 5. So here you get the point 3, 5, and here is 0, 4. So it doesn't matter कि x 0 है या नहीं है, बट आपको क्या ध्यान रखना है कि जब भी इक्वेशन x एक्सिस के पैरेलल होगी, उस इक्वेशन में सिर्फ और सिर्फ y होगा, ठीक है। यहाँ कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि 0, 4 है तो ठीक है, हमने y इज इक्वल्स टू 0 रखा और यहाँ पे 3 रखा तो पता नहीं क्या आ जाएगा, y इज इक्वल्स टू 5 भी आएगा। नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। A line, write the equation of a line parallel to y-axis and passing through the point -3, -7. सो देखिए क्वेश्चन है, राइट द इक्वेशन ऑफ ए लाइन पैरेलल टू वाई एक्सिस। तो मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि जब भी इक्वेशन पैरेलल होगी वाई एक्सिस के, तो उस इक्वेशन में सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्या होगा, x इज इक्वल टू सम कांस्टेंट। तो x इज इक्वल टू सम कांस्टेंट कौन सा आ जाएगा, इज इक्वल टू -3। सो दिस इज माय इक्वेशन। यहाँ देखिए एक बार फिर से देखिए, राइट द इक्वेशन पैरेलल टू, क्या था यहाँ पे, लाइन पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस। तो इसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ y था, तो मैंने y की प्लेस वाला कांस्टेंट लिख दिया। यहाँ पे पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस है, तो इसमें सिर्फ x आएगा और इसके इक्वल आ गया। होप सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर टू यू। थैंक यू।